Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to supercharge your productivity by integrating Gamma into your daily workflow. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or business owner, this tool can save you hours. Let's get into it. First, start by opening your Gamma and creating a new document. You can use a Gamma AI to help you quickly outline your ideas, organize thoughts, or even summarize the meeting notes. Tip: you can use a prompts like this, summarize the client meeting into three action points and more. And then you can turn your ideas into a beautiful presentations. With just one click, the Gamma can turn your notes or outlines into visually stunning presentations. No design skills needed. Use AI slide generation to convert a rough text into professional slides in seconds. Then the Gamma allows a live collaboration, just like Google Docs. You can share your link or co-edit or get feedback in real time. You can also leave a comments and track changes, keeping everything organized in one place. And then after everything's done, you can export and present anywhere. You can export your Gamma presentation as PDF, PowerPoint, or share it via link, perfect for client, classroom, or Teams. And that's how you integrate Gamma into your workflow to save time, boost clarity, and stay on top of your projects. If you found this video helpful, give this a like and don't forget to subscribe for more AI powered productivity tips. Thanks for watching.